Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, awesome people that are welcoming you to my YouTube channel. So, if you are new here, I want to kindly enjoin you to subscribe because you'll be getting loads of resources, loads of video tutorials, loads of how to on my channel, and I'll be uploading every week. So, in this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can link your Chatgpt to your autoresponder and connect it to your WhatsApp at the same time. This is not coding, this is not technical stuff. It's very easier and nothing much. So if you are knowing about the autoresponder for the first time, this is a particular one I'll be talking about because we have several autoresponder actually. But this one, wow, let me just see autoresponder. What this one I see in my on my screen, this is one that you're going to download. So once you've downloaded the app, then you are going to do this one as well. You go to your Chrome browser or any browser, or you can use your normal Opera Mini. If you are using Opera Mini, you are using UC browser or something. So you download this app, you use the chat GPT. Just search for chat GPT. You are going to see several pop-up. These are the like this one exactly. This is the front one. You can see it's well optimized. The number one on the home page. You grab so you use chat GPT, you register, you tell you just find a way around to register. I've explained what chat GPT is used for. It's just an AI website that you can do a lot of stuff. It can help you to write a lot of works, you can help you to write description, you can help you to write presentation, can help you to draft a lot of things. It can help you to do your assignments and a lot of things that the AI can do. AI means artificial intelligence. You grab. I've explained in one of my videos on my YouTube channel that how to use ChatGPT to write your sales copy for your maybe YouTube ads, Instagram ads, Facebook ads, and all of them. So this video is about connecting your autoresponder to your ChatGPT. So the immediately you sign up, you sign in to you see something like this. Let me go to my ChatGPT normal, open something, open AI. So this one you are going to see this is how it will like this is how it will appear on your screen. Right now I think the site is currently down, it's not available yet. So but let's see. ChatGPT is at capacity right now. Get notified when it is, but that means the website is currently on hold because a lot of people are using it. You grab. So what you want to do is that make sure you register. You can sign in with your Gmail, your email address, and something. I've already signed in, so I'm not going to do anything. That's why I can't see anything like sign up again. I've already done that. Now, if you've downloaded the autoresponder, let's go back to our autoresponder. So this is my own autoresponder. So I'm going to log into it now. So this uh, this is my autoresponder. I'm having unlimited rules here. I'm having over 200 rules. Just don't worry about them. If you don't know what rules are just these automated responses that you are seeing on my screen. So if it is on green, that means it's active. If it's red like this, that means it's off. You grab. So don't worry about everything you are seeing on my screen. You can't understand because some of them are technical analysis, or let me just use that word because you might not understand. There's all about program language. Now, what you want to do is that just tap on this. If you are downloading your transponder for the first time, it will tell you to like you will see this icon, everything will be blank. I'm going to add a pop-up so it will appear like this on my screen. So what you want to do is like just tap on this plus button, then put star here. You can start on this autoresponder. We have several programming languages like the one I said that might need some basic of coding. You have so on autoresponder, star means anything. Star can be any message. Maybe someone just comes to your DM anyhow. Then plus star. And that thing that is kind of like program language is plus star. Plus star means not star plus, it's plus star. Plus star means that you are doing what you are replying to people that are not that their number is starting with plus. You can see I say plus star, that is any number that there are anything that is starting with plus. Maybe it's US number, UK number, any number that is starting with plus, so it will reply to it. So how do you know that? If you want to do something like that, you come to this place specific contact. That means specific contact, this person like this rule is going to reply to people that are not in your contact list. But here, that's not what I want to talk about. I don't want to be explaining. I have over 10 different video tutorials on how to use this app. If you want to get the course, you can come to my tier. But here I want to tell you, I want to show you how you can connect to chat GPT. Now what you want to do here, just add star. Star means anything, like you don't really know what people are going to ask you, so you want to use star. Star anything that they are asking, and ChatGPT will be replying to them. You grab. So now you come to this should be sent. That is what you want them to send to you. So don't worry about putting anything there, because you want ChatGPT to reply to them. You are not doing the work, you are not being the one to reply to them. Then you see something like connect open AI. This place, connect open AI ChatGPT 3, you grab. So before you can, then another thing is that for you to have this connect to open AI, you must have the updated version. My own is updated, that's why you can see this rule. RDBI on someone app now, you can't see it's not connected, it's not part of it yet. So you want to make sure that you update your rule to, let me just add something here to show you. You must update to this version 3.1, 3.1.3. So I'm using the premium, you can see something premium here. So all this one is updated, you grab. So if you want to connect it to ChatGPT, just like I explained here, don't put anything, put star here, then you come to this place, connect to OpenAI, you tap on it like this. So don't worry about all this programming language, don't worry about all this one, don't worry about anything. What you want to do is connect this place, connect OpenAI ChatGPT something something, this place. That's your main concern. So it will tell you to add one API key. API key is just like if RDB you know something about physical, there's a place that you have to configure, like you have to verify your domain or something. So don't worry about that one. Like you have to, they will tell you to go to your website, add something to your footer or to your header or something. But here we are doing something similar, but not exactly the same thing. So you want to copy your AI, just like okay, this is perfect example of how I can explain. If you have this app, Trust Wallet, or you have Binance on your phone. You know, when you are registering Trust Wallet for the first time, they give you some phrasal words. So those phrasal words, they are like key. There are some several, like there are some special words that you have to keep, that like a secret code to your phone, to your lucky, to your what's it called now, Trust Wallet. You grab. So you want to do the same here. All you have to do is like you go to the ChatGPT website. So it will tell you how to go about it. Just tap on this place like this, you see something like autoresponder stroke ChatGPT platform this and that. So what you want to do is like you tap on this. Let me app cancel now. So let's say I want to connect, I will tap on it again, don't forget that. Then you can scroll down, you can scroll down like this, you can scroll to this place. So check all of these rules. We are less concerned about them. This is the main thing you want to do. API connect. So you want to tap on it like this, then you click on openai so it will direct you to ChatGPT website where you can copy the API code. So it's just like program language, not code exactly like that, but just like program language that you don't really need to understand what it means. So what you want to do is like you just generate a certain phrasal word. So let's go down now. So let's scroll down. You see something like, where is it again? Let me go back. Let me go back. I think that one is kind of very easy. I'll put the link in this video description if you are still finding it difficult to connect. But I feel like that one is a platform OpenAI example. Create an account and start reaching. This is the website like openai.com. That's the website to use. Then you can find your key here. Exactly. This is where you tap on to make you, that one can also get you your phrasal word, but that one will take you too much time. So this is exact website that you use. So if you tell you create a new, this is the key that I shoot like that I used the other time. I've already connected it, but you are seeing it for the first time. These key are very important. They are just like password to your autoresponder that you grab. So don't show it to people. So that's why you can see this one is not shown, just showing you the beginning, just like the way it disappear on your MasterCard and your Visa card you grab. So you can just show the beginning and the end. So you tap on create new key. Create new keys, you generate key for you, just like this one. I'm not using this one, but I'm just using it to show you how it works. So you copy it like this, tap on it, API copy, key copied. Say okay. So it will tell you that keep this key somewhere or something. Let me try to generate the key again. Do something like, say please save this secret key somewhere safe and accessible. For security reason, you won't be able to view it again through your OpenAI account. If you lose this secret key, you need to generate a new one. You grab. So just like the one I explained, just like you are downloading Trust Wallet for the first time, so it will tell you to keep this somewhere, just like I've shown you on my screen. So I will delete this one now, remove API. I don't need it. I'm not really using it. I'm just using this video to explain. So then you come back to your autoresponder. Then I'm not sure, maybe no, the one on Play Store is not Premium actually, but I'm using the Premium. So if you want to get a Premium, you come to me, I give you my Premium plus my tutorial. I have over 10 different tutorials explaining different things. This app is crazy, it's beyond what you know. It's not just an app, it's just like several apps, but this one is crazy. I really know so much about it. So I'm just using this one to explain to you. So I'm not sure, maybe this feature is available on the one on Play Store that is not Premium, but try it first. Try it first. So then you copy the AI key that you've copied, API key that you've copied, you put it here like this, then you connect it. You tap it on it like you see. Star, this one is the one I wanted to use before, but I off it so that I will show you this video. So to explain this video, you grab. So this one, this star means anything on autoresponder. Then this is everything you want to do. Then what I want to do is, like, personally, this is just a common sense advice. What I do is that, some people are coming to you. Let's say you are running advert and people are coming to your DM for the first time. You want them to follow a particular instruction. So don't want ChatGPT to just be disturbing them with another rule that is not automated. You want this thing to, like, let's say they are coming through a folder, maybe Facebook card, WhatsApp TV, anyhow. So you want this ChatGPT to be responding to people already on your contact list. Like people, they already know you, they know that, okay, this person using AI, they will understand. But people that are just coming through a folder, they might not really get what you are trying to do. This is just to save stress of saying that, okay, who is this, what is this, I don't really get, I don't, you grab those kind of things. So you want it to specific contact. Yes, specific contact, you choose plus star. I already explained plus star in the first, like in the beginning of this video, that plus star means non-contact. How do I know that? Tap on this place like this, you see something like white card star. White card means for anything on autoresponder. I have explained that one. Then plus 44, for example, standing for all UK phone numbers. Plus star for non-contact. If you read this thing very well, you understand. So that's just it. The app is kind of crazy. If you are not using it before, you have not. I've been using this app more than 2 years now. In my, when you get the course, you see the first video tutorial I recorded was, I think, around November 2020. This 2023 or January 2021, or some around that means. So I've been using it. I really know so much about it. There's nothing on this that I don't know. So that's why I'm just showing you that, okay, this one, it will reply to this specific contact, like people that not in your contact. Or if you want it to ignore contact, you not come to this ignore contact, you want it to ignore this contact, like, okay, we don't reply to this person that this set of people that are not, that their number is not saved on your phone, like plus star. Ignore this contact, don't reply to them, you grab. So that's what you want to do, just add plus star. Plus star means non-contact. I've shown you, and that's all. So make sure you kindly subscribe to, if you get value from this video. And if you want to know more about the autoresponder, you want to get the full crash course on autoresponder, you can message me on WhatsApp, or you go to my website, mycalculate.com/auto, mycalculate.com/auto. I put the link in this video description so you can see it. So see you in my next video, and make sure you kindly subscribe. Thanks for following, thanks for watching. Thank you so much, I really appreciate. I'm Mike Calculate.